Alright, let's walk through this process step by step. First, we start here with the initial setup. This is how we can attain quality video with cinematic glow effect using CapCut on mobile. Notice how we position everything carefully here. First, we apply filter to give the video a decent look. Now we spread the filter across all the clips. You can see we're making the adjustments shown here. Go slowly. Follow the order exactly as demonstrated right now. Now we add the second filter to the clips to give it a balanced quality and make all adjustments carefully so it doesn't come out too dark or blurry. Now we add the glow effect to the video. Simply overlay the glow filter into your edits. Now this is ready. Make all adjustments carefully so it doesn't hurt the eyes. The next step is to go to Splice and adjust the glow over the clip. Once you are done with that, spread the glow effect across all the clips by duplicating them into all of them. Now the final step is to enhance the video quality of each clip to the highest quality. Simply follow the steps as shown. If you are using CapCut Pro, you can use AI HD. But if you are using CapCut for free, you can use Ultra HD. Both works fine. But AI HD is peak for achieving high-quality content. Add this enhanced quality features to all clips and photos imported into your edits if you have photos in your edit. Make sure your videos are not too long. Simply split them into layers and apply the enhanced features. Because once the video exceeds a certain length, it denies the enhanced features. Make sure clips are short enough. This is the final result. You can export your edits at high quality with the cinematic glow effect. If this video was helpful to you, do well to like and subscribe and comment topics we should explore next.